Hey guys, me and Marshall are back at it today. Today we're going to do opening a box. The house we are in right now, it's a track house. They built 50 of them, and they used the least expensive fixtures, appliances, and just building material, really. And what we've slowly been upgrading, changing, and all that crap. But today we're going to change out the fireplace. Well, we're going to start today. We're not going to finish it today. But right now, I'm going to take you out there and show you what I got. I got I went online and went to efireplacestore.com, and we bought the Superior 45-inch DRL 3500 series, and we got the the black surround and the porcelain glass liner for more reflection. And let's see, we got the cool wall system that it's made so you could hang your television on the wall, and that keeps it from getting hot, because the heat no longer comes out of the face around the fireplace. It actually comes up above, and you'll see that when I open it up and show you guys. What else we got? The driftwood log set to put in it, and then also with the glass base on it. So it wasn't cheap, but it was not. Man, those things go up $10,000, $15,000. It's ridiculous. But let's go in the front room, the family room, and show you what we have now. Show you what I've done so far, and that I'll be ripping out, and we'll go outside and show you what we got in shipment. So sit back, relax, and show you what we have. So this is what we have right now. It's a little 36 by 36, and I mean, it looks fine, but it's just not very efficient, and we want to make it a little more modern. I have our TV set there and sound bar. I installed the tile all the way around, and we wanted to incorporate underneath the hood. We want to incorporate that wall with this wall, and that's all coming out. What we're going to do is Venetian plaster black, and we'll go from there. All right. So this is it. I'm going to take this in there and compare it to the existing. See what you guys think. So that's what it's going to look like. Modern. Dee doo doo dee doo doo dee doo dee doo. Let's put this over here. So we have our wall switch and some batteries with the instructions. Dee-doo-doo-dee-doo. Put you over here. Dee-doo-doo-dee-doo. So we got our 5-pound bag of rocks, which is glass. Put that there. All right, what's this? I don't know what this is. Oh. Oh, I don't want to turn that on. Or, I don't want to install that. I want to keep it streamlined. Huh. Well, we'll have to see. Alright, this is the wall unit, or the cool wall unit. So this is all installed above the TV. All the instructions, connections, flex pipe, it's all there. And then this slot will be what you see on above the TV. Cool. Maybe I'll start ripping the fireplace apart. Oh, it's gonna be a mess. That's all right. We'll do it. So this is why I'm going to install that the cool wall system up there, because that's 128 degrees, 76, 74, 71. So the longer that thing runs, the hotter that gets to a certain percent, or certain degree, I guess. So let's turn this off and we'll start. This is also something that is happening. It has actually disintegrated the grout lines here. I mean, they're just dust. It's not made for heat. And on this side too. Yeah, it's just dust now. That's so weird. A little bit up there, it's cracking right here. Ouch, that's hot. So that is 132 degrees. So the heat comes up and hits that. Yeah. Well, let's start. All right.
so much trouble. I got crap everywhere.
Well, I got all that off and start dismantling this thing. And if you guys know anybody that wants to buy a slightly used fireplace, I got one. So I put everything back, plug the TV in. This is what I get. I guess I hit it. That sucks.